Hello, welcome back to Life with Carion'Tae. Today we're going to be cooking some baked tilapia fish, mixed vegetables, and brown rice. I'm also going to be adding some fresh bell peppers and onions at the bottom of my pan as well. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so we're going to start with cutting up my bell peppers and onions. I have the red, orange, and yellow bell peppers, and I also have a yellow onion as well. So let me cut my bell peppers. I'm going to repeat the same thing for the yellow bell pepper and the orange bell pepper as well. You can cut your bell peppers in whatever direction you would like to. I really don't have a preference, so I cut them in many directions. I also take the top from the bell peppers and I cut them up as well. So we're gonna just take out the middle and use the surrounding area to put in our food too. Okay, so this is how my bell peppers look once I'm done cutting them up. So colorful, red, orange, and yellow bell peppers. Now I'm about to go ahead and cut our onions. Okay, so now we have our onion. I did have a yellow onion. I took the peeling off it already. So let's cut it. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and finish cutting our onion up. It's making my eye water. My eyes are burning. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but my eyes are burning so bad. Onions always do it to me, but come on, let's go to the next step. Okay, so now that we cut up our vegetables, we have the bell peppers and onions. We're gonna go ahead and season our fish. These were the frozen fish that I got from out the store. It came like in a pack of 4. So we're gonna go ahead and get that together real quick. I'm gonna first be using some organic extra virgin olive oil to go ahead and spray some of my fish with, just so that my seasoning can have a good coat to stick on. And you're just gonna mix it all around, so make sure that every side and every fish get the right amount of nutrients. Next, I'm gonna go in with some minced onion, and we're gonna go ahead and season it. And I like a lot of seasoning on my food, so I don't measure it. We're just gonna go ahead and pour it up in here. Next, I'm gonna go in here with some paprika. I love paprika, swear by it. I'm gonna add some of our fish. May get a little bit messy, but it's okay. We're gonna come back and clean it up later. And I got that on there. We're gonna go ahead and mix it in real good. Mhm. Okay. After we add our paprika, we're gonna go ahead and go some Creole season. This is the best season ever. You can't go wrong with some Tony's Creole season. We're just gonna go ahead and mix it on all the fish. Again, coat it real well. I love Creole season. Adding some onion powder. I'm sorry, garlic powder. And that's just about what we need for that. And then last, I'll go in with some basil leaves. I'm just gonna go in with the basil leaves at the end though. Once I plate it on my baking pan, I'm just gonna sprinkle the top with some basil leaves. But this is how your tilapia fish should look. If you want more seasoning, you can definitely put more. But this is all we're gonna use for today. Okay, y'all, so we got our fish season. Now we're about to go ahead and plate our pan. I'm gonna spray some extra virgin olive oil at the bottom. Then I'm gonna go in with my bell peppers. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my onions. Mix it up. It's gonna be so delicious. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my fish on top of it. It's gonna make a nice, even, juicy oil at the end. So you can top your rice with. This looks so delicious. I'm just taking my remaining season and put it on top of my fish. Okay. It should look like this. And right now I also have the oven on. It was preheating up to 400 degrees. So you want to make sure that your oven is at a 400 degree. Now I'm going to go in with my basil leaves that I stated earlier and just sprinkle some on top. It's going to give it that extra taste, that extra flavor, and that little razzle dazzle. I love basil leaves just like I swore by paprika, swore by basil leaves as well. This is good enough for it. And this is how my fish look. Plated. Now we're going to bake it in the oven. Okay, so while I still have my fish in the oven, we're going to go ahead and start cooking our mixed vegetables. Of course, spray some oil in the bottom of your pan. Then I got the frozen vegetables from Walmart. It comes in a bag like this. Very convenient. Just throw it in your skillet and voila. So I got my mixed vegetables in the pan. It got carrots in here, green beans, peas, and some corn. Okay, so I have my mixed vegetables on the stove. I just seasoned it with basil leaves, Creole season, some garlic powder, and some minced onions as well. So now we're just gonna keep on stirring it until it cook down to your liking. And I'm about to check on my fish that's in the oven. It should be in there for about 20 minutes. So let's see how that's looking. Okay, so this is our fish out the oven and it's already breaking apart. Tender. I'm gonna take the first bite and see if it's done. 10 out of 10. I'll do it again. Okay, y'all, so we're about to fix us a bowl. 1 scoop of brown rice. Some mixed vegetables on the side. And then the fish. I'm gonna put some bell peppers on top of here. And some juice. Take 1 tilapia fish. Oh, yeah, it's too sturdy. Just cut it. Okay, so I can do the ultimate taste test. We got our brown rice, mixed vegetables, and some onions and bell peppers. So, take some fish. Okay, y'all, this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you try this recipe. Let me know how it turns out. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the link down below.